Hey foodies, welcome back to the Chicky Chef. Today we are turning pasta into chips. Crispy, delicious, and perfect for snacking. Let's get started. First things first, choose your pasta. I'm using penne because it's hollow inside, which helps it cook evenly on all sides. Add water, salt, and a bit of oil to prevent the pasta from sticking together. Now give it a good mix and boil the pasta until it is cooked. Not too soft, but just enough so you can cut it easily like this. This is perfectly cooked. Drain your pasta and let it dry on a paper towel. Remove any overcooked or soggy pieces because we want that perfect crunch. Once the pasta is dry, it's ready for the air fryer, but first let's season it. Put the pasta back in the bowl, add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and your choice of seasoning. It could be anything on the screen. Make sure every piece is coated. This is where all the flavor comes from. Now pop them into the air fryer at 350 Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Remember to shake the basket halfway through so they cook evenly. And no air fryer? No worries, you can use your oven as well. Just spread them out on a baking tray and give them a good toss halfway through. Look at the golden crunch. Serve this with your favorite veggies and dip. I have got homemade ranch here, so good. This is perfect snack for movie night or a party. If you try this recipe, leave a comment and let me know how it turned out. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really motivates me to come up with more such recipes. And I'll see you in next one.